All right, it is November 8th. Just fixing to head out to the farm. Terry closed out on his buck tag yesterday, shot a very nice buck. I believe Terry Ellsworth is on his way to Illinois today to do the same. I told Terry the other day before he went out, if he shot a buck today, he needs to shoot a buck today to put the pressure on me. And I think the pressure's on. It's feeling really good, man. Last night I was up all night. Felt like opening day today. Got all my gear all cleaned up, washed up, and ready to roll. Gonna take Danny Boy, the decoy, out and see if we can't get something to come in close to him. Feeling good, man. Feeling good. Let's do it. Arrow TV, baby.
Now it's only about 10 minutes after shooting light. Not only does Bryan have a decoy out, he's also got this doe coming in. Now this is Bryan's first time using a decoy, and he's already had it exploded before it got light out by a buck and had to get down and put it back together once. And what's the chances of that happening again? Well, keep your eye on this doe here, and she's going to let you know when the action's about to heat up.
Doe came in, buck followed her in. Buck just destroyed Danny Boy. Circled underneath my stand, come straight broadside of me. Too fast, too much. Holy crap. There's Danny Boy in pieces. All right, you can see the very first massacre laying on the ground here in shambles. That happened twice today. First thing I set him up first thing before I got up and stand. It was still dark. Got up there, I wasn't up there 10 minutes, setting camera up and everything, and boom, laying in pieces. Got back down, set him up. Told Terry last night I had a feeling about 6:45, man, it was going to happen for me today. It did. Just hoping we get some good loving on the blood trail here. I don't know what else to say, man. I'm fired up, man. I need a buck down in Illinois. I'm pumped up. Let's go find him.
blown both sides.
Yeah, baby. Oh, yes. I tell you what, man, it's been a little freaking stressful for me, man. Went down to Missouri. We were down there, what, 5 days, I think. It's great hunting. Had a nice deer in front of me, 20 yards. Recovery went sour, couldn't find him, lost blood. Get back to Illinois, do 2 hunts last night. And last night, man, I just felt it, man. I was gonna sit all day. I packed me a lunch. Didn't matter how hard the wind was blowing. Told Terry last night, man, I said, man, I have a feeling it's gonna happen at 6:45. I'll be damned, it was give or take a couple minutes right before it. Nice deer. Nice buck. Arrow TV, baby. Nice wide faces.